Hi guys, it's me Miranda, and today we're going to be making slimy putty stuff. So this is what you're going to need. 1 bottle of Elmer's glue and pink food coloring because it's so genius. 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of borax, and then you'll need a bowl and a spoon to mix it. So let's get started. So first you're going to take the glue and you're going to open it. Then you're going to pour it into the bowl. And then once you get as much out as you can, to keep going. One rolling stone. Get out. How much is in this bottle? That's enough. Okay, so now let's only do 2 drops of food coloring. 1, 2. No more than 2 because it'll get too bright. And then stirring. When things still white, then you can do a little bit more. Okay, so now that you're stirring, now we need to get some things. And then you need to get your borax and pour it in. Oh, and you need a parent to help you for these bones. Now you're stirring. Okay, now that you're stirring, put the spoon. And then you have to pour just a little bit at a time. And then you're stirring. Stir, stir, stir. And then add a little bit more. Just a little at a time because we don't want it to get messed up. Okay. So, this looks so beautiful. Let's put a little bit more. But you don't want to put the whole thing on. Or else it'll get real messed up. It's so beautiful. Okay. So just keep stirring, just keep stirring, just keep stirring. This looks so delicious. It looks so delicious. It looks so delicious. Oh, it's so delicious. So delicious, so delicious. Okay. And then if you don't mind getting your hands dirty, just mix it with your hands. Oh, it's so wet. Okay, let's get a little bit more borax solution. Just a little bit. Stir it. Just keep stirring it. All you do is just keep kneading it and put in the borax solution. Why is this thing in my hand? Oh, disgusting. It's not supposed to be like this. But look at me. So disgusting. So it's getting ready. But a little bit right there. Maybe we should put a little bit more on things. Okay. That one's gone, but it's still really messy and stinky. What is wrong with these things? Oh, look at it. But look, it's just sticking and sticking. So it's supposed to be nice and stretchy. It's so stretchy. So thanks for watching. Bye.